Third, God is in control. Nothing happens outside His control. And that loss happened, either He willed it or allowed it. God is all-powerful God. He can control everything. Now, do you know what's the cause of Job's loss? This is the cause. Satan went to heaven and God talked to him. Have you considered my servant Job? That there is none like him on the earth, a blameless and upright man, one who fears God and shuns evil. God boasted Job in front of Satan, but I think he's challenging Satan to try Job. And Satan replied, You have blessed the work of his hands, and his possessions have increased in the land. But now stretch out your hand and touch all that he has, and he will surely curse you to your face. And the Lord replied, Behold, all that he has is in your power. Only do not lay a hand on his person. God was in control. First, He challenged Satan to try Job. Maybe Christians, we are in great trial now or lost now because God has challenged Satan to try us. For God is so proud of our blameless life, of our loyalty to Him, of our righteousness, that despite Satan would attack us, we will still remain in Him. Second, He allowed Satan to attack Job. You know what? Satan cannot attack us unless God permits him to do it. And Satan cannot harm us more than the limitation which God hath given to him. So you are secure. Every loss of your life, God knows it beforehand. And the beauty is, God allowed that loss because He has a perfect master plan. Thank you very much for watching. If you are blessed with the message from the Bible, please subscribe and click that notification bell so you will not miss our updates. Thank you very much for watching. God bless us all.